This is a narrated slideshow giving examples of microorganisms. The first microorganism is a paramecium. It's an example of it comes from the protist kingdom and gives an example of a animal-like microorganism. It's classified as such because it can move around and it will reproduce and it will also eat and digest food. This is a virus. Viruses aren't classified as living organisms because they do not actually reproduce. They only copy other living organisms. This is an example of a Streptococcus bacteria. Bacteria are the most abundant microorganisms in the world. There's actually more bacteria in and on your body than there are living cells in your body. This is an example of Euglena. Euglena is important because it shows, it's an example of a animal-like and a plant-like protist. It can move around, digest food, and reproduce, but it can also make its own food if there's no food available. And this is an example of an algae. Algae is an example of a plant-like substance because it makes its own food. You can tell it makes its own food because there's color present.